coronavirus liver updates. India's corona count crosses 1000 mark. Death toll rises to 27. Coronavirus liver updates. India's corona count crosses 1000 mark. Death toll rises to 27. The number of COVID-19 cases crossed 1000 in India on Sunday, with the death toll rising to 27. According to the Union Health Ministry, the ministry reported 6 fresh deaths, 1 each from Delhi, Gujarat, Karnataka, Kerala, Maharashtra, and Telangana. The number of deaths around the world from the novel coronavirus cases has crossed 30,000. Read Pakistani divorce great Ajam Khan dies of coronavirus in London. Pakistani divorce great Ajam has died of coronavirus in London, his family said. Ajam, who won the British Open title successively between 1959 and 1961, had tested positive for COVID-19 last week and died at London's Ealing Hospital on Saturday. Following the officers who were responsible to ensure compliance to instructions issued by Chairperson of the National Executive Committee formed under Disaster Management Act 2005 regarding containment of the spread of COVID-19 have prima facie failed to do so. MHA. Following the officers who were responsible to ensure compliance to instructions issued by Chairperson of the National Executive Committee formed under Disaster Management Act 2005 regarding containment of the spread of COVID-19 have prima facie failed to do so. MHA, one of the 3 trainees of Indian Forest Services IFS who had tested negative on 7th March, has tested positive today, reports ANI. Govt sets up 11 empowered groups under the Disaster Management Act to identify problem areas and suggest solutions in the fight against COVID-19 pandemic. With the launch of rockets on hold for the time being, India's Space Research Organization ISRO is busy developing a simple-to-operate ventilator in order to meet the country's emergency demand for the key ICU medical equipment needed for critical COVID-19 patients. Yash Somanith, director of Tiruvananthapuram-based Vikram Sarabhai Space Center DSSC, told TOI, "We are designing a ventilator and making hand sanitizers and distributing them." Disciplinary proceedings initiated against 4 officers of Government of National Capital Territory of Delhi (GNCTT) for dereliction of duties regarding containment of the spread of COVID-19. 2 officers have been also suspended and 2 served show-cause notice. Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi Vadra called upon telecoms companies to make their services free for a month to enable poor migrant laborers reach out to their near and dear ones. In separate letters to Airtel chief Sunil Bharti Mittal, Reliance chief Mukesh Ambani, and heads of BSNL and Vodafone, she highlighted the plight of lakhs of migrant laborers walking down to their native places without food, medicines, and shelter. 2 new COVID-19 cases reported in Visakhapatnam today, taking total cases in Andhra Pradesh to 21. Reports ANI. 275 Indian citizens evacuated from coronavirus hit Iran arrive in Rajasthan's Jodhpur, reports PTI quoting officials. Bihar migrants start reaching relief camps. CM steps up efforts to rescue stranded workers. Around 8,000 to 10,000 migrant workers reached at different disaster border relief camps in Gopalganj, Saivan, Sarin, Kamur, and Buxar districts by end of the day. Majority of them reached through Beltria checkpost in Gopalganj and Karmanasi checkpost in Kamur, a Home Department official told on Sunday. An army doctor in Kolkata and a junior commissioned officer JCO in Dehradun tested positive for COVID-19 on Sunday, increasing the cases of confirmed coronavirus cases in the over 13 lakh force to 3 now. So far, 38 cases, 34 active, though recovered and though deaths have tested positive in J&K, said the administration chair. 1,465 travelers and persons in contact with suspected COVID-19 cases have been put under surveillance. J&K administration Health Ministry issues guidelines for disinfecting public places, do's and don'ts for elderly. In its guidelines on environment cleaning, decontamination of public places in areas reporting COVID-19, the ministry said outdoor areas have less risk than indoor areas due to air currents and exposure to sunlight. The 86-year-old was a cousin of Spain's King Felipe VI. Her brother, Prince Sixto Enrique de Bourbon, the Duke of Orange, announced on Facebook that she died after contracting COVID-19. The post reads, on this afternoon, our sister Maria Teresa de Bourbon, Parma and Bourbon was said, a victim of the coronavirus COVID-19, died in Paris at the age of 86. Congress workers distributed food packets among the needy people near Lady Hardinge Medical College in Delhi. Virologist Meenal Dakharve Bhosle led from the front to create India's first coronavirus testing kit. Even when she was in the last stage of her pregnancy, Bhosle's efforts paid the price, with her team delivering the testing kit in a record time of 6 weeks, critical to set up defensive walls around key financial strategic institutions, says Rahul Gandhi. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi on Sunday pledged his support to the union government in tackling the colossal humanitarian crisis unfolding due to the coronavirus pandemic, but said in a letter to PM Modi that the government should consider taking a more Noor-Asid and targeted approach to understanding the complex realities of our people. There are 901 active cases in India, while 96 have been cured, discharged, migrated. 27 deaths have been reported. So far, Health Ministry death toll due to COVID-19 rises to 27 positive cases increase to 1024. Thank you for watching my video.